In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily update emojis on your iPhone. Emojis are a fun way to express yourself in messages and social media posts, and updating them can provide you with new and exciting options to choose from. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery life and a strong and reliable Wi-Fi connection. After that, open up the Settings app on your device, scroll down a bit, and tap General. And then tap Software Update. So to get the latest emojis, your iPhone needs to be on the most recent version of iOS. If you have an update available, then go ahead and download and install it. Once you've got the most recent and latest version of iOS on your iPhone, you can access and use all the new emojis. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.